Yes, people. I found a better way of getting the track listings here showing on OBS from Serato, running on a different computer. If you saw my previous video on this, you would have noticed I need to manually click the Start Live Playlist button. I keep forgetting to do it. So I need to find an automatic process that's always just going to do it. And here's what I've landed on. So bear with me, it's a bit of a convoluted one, but it does seem to work all good. So the first thing I'm doing is using this Now What's Playing software, and it has the ability to read the Serato database from this directory here. And as long as the track retrieval method is local, that means it's pulling it from the database. And then what it's going to do is it's going to create a text file with the track IDs in it in a particular template format. So what I created here is just a basic template that just says the title and then a new line and artist. So the resulting file, every time a track is played, looks like this, and it gets overwritten each time. So then what happens is I have two actions over here on StreamerBot. StreamerBot will take that track ID and then read it from the file and then send them to OBS running on the other computer. And then it will also write another text file that looks like this, which is a listing of all the track listings, so I can copy and paste them into description. I've also got the date and time here listed. That just runs every 24 hours, just so when this file gets really big, it's easier to find. And that's what this other action here is. Every 24 hours is timed action. It grabs the date and time and it writes it to that file. This is a little bit convoluted because for some reason there's no ability to do this in StreamerBot natively. This is just a small bit of a basic C# code that takes the date and time set and creates a variable out of that and then uses that variable to write to the text file. So a bit silly. So the other thing that's happening here is these actions, these sub actions here, writing the text. So what's going on here is OBS is set up, I'll find it, platforms, no, here we go, under Streamer Apps. So the OBS for my other computer over here is talking WebSockets. So that's why it can update. I've got these text elements here, so it's updating those. So that's how it all kind of fits together. Hopefully this is useful for someone.